guys, welcome back to my channel. Bay here. So I'm here with a hair review for you guys, and it is the hair currently in my hair right now. This is a closure and 3 bundles. So it's an 18-inch closure and 3 bundles of 18 inches as well. I wanted to do like a one length type of look, and this is where the hair comes to me as far as like 18 inches goes, and that's what it looks like in the back. But yeah, so in the beginning, before this hair came to be this, by the way, before I continue, just check this out please, thank you. You can never tell this was a closure and not a frontal. Okay, baby hairs laid, okay? Baby hairs are laid, okay? Yeah. Follow my hair page at Valux Hair on Instagram, and follow me on Instagram also at Valux. Okay. So yeah, this hair came with an 18-inch closure, 3 bundles of 18 inches, and the natural color. I think that's like a long B or something like that. I did go ahead and dye this hair jet black. I used the Revlon Color Soak dye, like box dye. And I know hairstylists aren't usually supposed to use box dyes, but and probably I think going forward I might just start using professional color to dye my extension, just to see the difference and how it makes the hair feel. The hair does feel good with the box dye, but I just want to see the difference, to see if there is a difference. So that'll be my little experiment. But yeah, so I did went ahead and dye this hair jet black, and I'm loving this. Like, you know, with frontals come a lot of maintenance as far as like putting on the glue, putting on a stocking cap, and doing all that stuff, and trying to get it to look as natural as possible. And then you know, to take off the wig itself, you have to be able to wash the glue off and do all this stuff. This is a glueless closure wig that I made, okay? I did put an elastic band in the back, lay the baby hairs down, cut the lace per usual, plucked per usual, like I do the same customization that I do with a frontal wig. I did the same thing with this closure, and I mean, I love it. And I think I'm gonna do a lot of more wigs with just the closure, just to see how, you know, I like it, but just to give myself a little break with the frontals, I'm gonna start to do this whole glueless closure wig. So yeah, this hair came from Sapphire Hair Company. I've purchased hair from them before, and yes, I did purchase this hair on my own. They are not sponsoring this video, but yeah, so Sapphire Hair Company, I'm gonna put the link for the hair that I bought down below, and also I'm going to put the company's information in the description down below as well. So look out for that if you're interested in buying this hair. I think Malibu Dollface, he has reviewed for this company before, and I'm sure that they sent him the hair out, but he always gives honest responses, and I think I could have sworn that he gave good reviews for this hair. So yeah, I purchased this hair on my own, and I love this company. Shipping is very fast. They do 2-day shipping. So I ordered this hair, I think, on a Friday, and the hair came, I think I ordered the hair on a Thursday or something like that. And the hair came that Saturday. And it's shipped by USPS. They reach out to you, give you, thank you for ordering, give you all the specs, things like that. And then they go ahead and give you a tracking number. And when I mean 2-day shipping, 2-day shipping, okay? So if you have an event to go to, or it's your birthday or something like that, this hair company will ship out this hair to you ASAP. So that's one thing I can appreciate about this company. This is why I've ordered from them so much. I do have other hair that I've ordered from them, and I'm going to review that for you guys as well. So look out for those videos. But I mean, look at that. Like, I'm running my fingers through the hair. There's minimal shedding, if any shedding at all. I mean, the hair did not come with a smell. And like I said, look out for the clips in between here somewhere. I'm going to show you how the hair first came. It did come in this USPS priority little envelope. And I got some free lashes that came with it. And I show you guys how the hair looks. I show you guys, you know, just the hair, you know, has movement. I did not fill, I still have like a whole like bundle left, like, you know. I did not fill up this wig heavy because I want it to look as natural as possible. I don't want like big hair to where I can't blend, you know, I can't make it look natural, like, you know what I mean? So this is, you know, how the hair looks. The closure is amazing. I did bleach the knots. And like I said, I dyed the hair, and this is what it's looking like right now. And I honestly love it. Like, I truly, truly love this company. And I will be continuing to get hair from this company, whether down the line they sponsor my videos or not. But I will continue to get hair from this company. I have other hair companies that I will be doing reviews for. I'm an Aliexpress girl. I know that a lot of women don't, I guess they have had bad experiences on Aliexpress, but I'm telling you, baby, it's all about your research. Do your research and you will not get, you know, bullshit hair. Do not order from a hair company on Aliexpress that only has 1 to 12 orders. That is a mistake on your part. Okay, you're gonna get a bad batch of hair. You know, look for companies that have, and then maybe that should be a separate video. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, yeah. So let's cut that right quick. I'm gonna give you guys a separate video on that. So look out for that. I'm gonna give you guys tips on how to buy hair on AliExpress. Okay. I know there's hair companies out here that, you know, women can spend, you know, $400 to $500 on hair. I'm not that girl, at least not right now. I'm not gonna pretend, you know, that's where I am in my life. I'm not, you know, your girl's on a budget. You know, I like to save my coin, you know what I'm saying? So that's where I'm at. And yes, I'm an AliExpress girl, so I order my hair off of AliExpress. And if you see bundles of my hair, where'd you get? AliExpress. Like, that's just where I'm at with myself. So you gotta be, you know, that's one thing I gotta tell you guys. You guys gotta be honest with where you are in your life. I'm an AliExpress. I'm in the AliExpress phase of my life. You feel me? I'm not, you know, in these hair companies and things like that. Big hair companies where I can order $700 worth of hair. I can't do that. Sorry. No. And your girl, like I said, I'm a budgetista when it comes to AliExpress. I'm not spending more. When you guys see my bundles, I'm not spending more than $100 on 3 bundles and a frontal, or 3 bundles and a closure. Peep me, okay? Y'all better get on game. Y'all better get on, you know, you better get on the game. Like, that's where I'm at with myself. Like, you feel me? So, yes. Back to Sapphire Hair Company. The hair company is bomb. Customer service 5 stars, and it's lit. Like, it's lit. You know what I mean? And this hair lasts a while. And mind you, there was a wig that I was wearing consistently. Okay, as soon as I got the hair, I made a wig, frontal wig out of it. I was wearing consistently. Yes, the frontal shedded a little bit towards the end, you know, but I still have that wig. All I did, and I'm gonna show you how to repair a frontal as well. You don't have to throw away your frontals. Yeah, they all frontals bald. Why? Because we bleach the knots and it makes that hair follicle at the root so weak. So when we're combing or brushing, whatever the case is, you're pulling those hair follicles out. So it's gonna bald up the frontal, but you can fix that frontal. You don't have to throw it away, sis. You do not have to throw it away. You can fix it. So I'm gonna show you guys later down the line how to fix your frontals. But yeah, check out the clips of the hair of when I first got it. Let me know if you want me to show you how I make my wigs, and or customize it, and I will do that for you. Thank you again for watching my videos. I know this was a quick video for you guys. Like I said, I just want to do a quick initial review on this hair. No smell, ends are popping, okay? Ends are lit. And that's just what it is. I'm very happy with my purchase. Yeah, this is very fun, flirty summer hair. And if you guys want to save some money, look up Sapphire Hair Company and order your bundles. You feel me? You know? Yeah, so this is your girl Vay signing out. Thank you again for watching my video. Hit that subscribe button, please. Thank you. Like, I'm confused right now. Hit the subscribe button. Like right now. Just, it's one little click. Just hit that little button and let's save us both some time and, you know, we can be friends. Go out on a weekend. You know what I'm saying? Like a little something, you know? Down below if you do end up purchasing any of the Sapphire Hair and let me know what you think. Peace.